Hello little yogis, it's Mira. Ready for the Huntrix challenge? Today, we hunt for balance and track down our inner strength. Smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss an adventure. Deep breath in, and let's go. Sit tall like a blooming flower, cross your legs softly and rest your hands on your knees. You're now a peaceful lotus. Lie on your belly, grab your ankles, and lift your chest high to stretch your body just like a powerful Huntrix bow. Lie on your back, kick your feet up to the sky, and stay super still. You're now a bright, glowing candle lighting up the room. Kneel tall, stretch one leg out, and reach over like a leaning gate to open up a world of magic. Now, let's switch. Stretch your other leg and lean the opposite way to make your gait strong on both sides. Balance on your right foot. Place your left foot on your leg and grow your branches high like a steady forest tree. Now switch legs. Stand strong on your left foot, lift your right leg, and reach for the sun with your branches. Lie on your belly, press your hands down, and lift your chest up high while you hiss like a curious jungle snake. Squat down low with your feet wide, press your palms together, and sit deep like a little frog ready to jump into adventure. Get on your hands and knees, tuck your chin in, and round your back high like a grumpy Halloween cat. Sit on your bottom, lift your legs and arms up high, and balance steady like a brave boat riding the waves. Sit comfortably, reach one arm way up to the clouds, and lean to the side like a colorful rainbow stretching across the sky. Now, reach your other arm up high and lean the opposite way to complete your beautiful rainbow stretch. Press your hands and feet into the mat, lift your hips to the sky, and stretch out long like a happy puppy waking up from a nap. Kneel up tall, reach back to touch your heels, and lift your chest to the sun like a brave camel crossing the desert. Stand tall, reach your arms to the sky, and lean to one side like a long blade of grass swaying in the wind. Now sway back the other way, lean far to the opposite side, and feel your body getting longer and stronger. Lie on your back, lift your legs over your head, and try to touch the floor with your toes. You're now a powerful plow turning the soil. Bend your knees and sit back into the air as if you're landing on a magic invisible throne. Stay strong and hold steady. Sit with your feet together, hold your toes, and gently flap your knees like a colorful butterfly fluttering through a garden. Fantastic job, little yogis! You are amazing today. I'm so proud of your strength and focus. Keep that magic glowing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures together. See you soon.